All right, it is time to do a short layered haircut. As you can see, I'm taking my very first section on the top center of the head. I'm working my way from the crown to the front of the forehead. So I'm combing this hair straight up, establishing my very first guide for the haircut by establishing the length that I want on top. So, as you can see, cutting this very first section right here, and my shape that I'm cutting it is a little bit longer towards the front versus towards the back. Okay, now that I've got that guide in there, I'm going to take horizontal sections, which is basically ear to ear, and I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting the rest of the top. You can see that center section where it's already been cut is my guide to know how short to cut the rest of the top. So I'm going to cut the rest of the top, and then from there we will dive into the sides and back. Now that we've completed cutting the top, it is now time to cut the sides. As you can see, I'm taking a section on the side just above the ear to establish the length that I want on the right side. So I'm going to use that section as my guide. I'm going to work my way around the head, cutting the upper half of the sides and back, establishing the layering. Once I've completed the upper half, then I'll go back and do the lower half. Okay, so you can see I'm right here now doing the lower half of the sides and back. So I am going to take the hair down all the way, here we go, to the neck. So we've already established the layering, which is basically the upper half. Now we're establishing the layer on the lower half. Alright, so now what I want to do is establish the outline around the ear. So you can see I'm combing the hair straight down, holding the hair in my fingers and basically cutting it the length that I want. Now right there, I'm holding the ear down just to cut around the ear, but again, just going through and establishing this outline here around the ear. Alright, so now that I've cleaned up the outline on the right side, it is now time to go ahead and do the outline on the left side. Alright, so now to finish off the haircut, I'm just going to go up to the top of the haircut and break in by chipping into the top to give the hair a little bit of texture, just so that way my model has some versatility on when she goes to dress her hair. Alright, so we've come to the end of another haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.